Hi.
Hello, welcome back. I'm Carlette.
And I'm Terrence.
Today's video we are
baking cookies, fall cookies, and these are chocolate chip cookies. And we're gonna it's just a simple problem. Putting 2 ingredients in it and mixing it up and making your dough. So we're gonna start out by getting the butter softened, because the butter has to be softened before we add the rest of the ingredients. And here's the cookie. I am back again. I'm getting ready to mix this. I have softened my butter. So now I'm going to add this package of cookie dough mix. And I'm going to add 1 egg. Hi, I'm Terrence. I'm back. I'm getting ready to mix the butter up because the butter has to be softened for the cookies. So I'm going to start out using this. Alright, Carly, it's going to take over a little while, and she's going to mix the dough up. So we're making the dough now. We done added the 2 ingredients that it calls for. So now Carly is stirring up.
You can't see me.
Carly is stirring up, just making the dough come together. Too long. Drop it down in there. It's going to fall out. There you go. Now you can.
This is what our cookies is looking like.
Well.
Our cookies came from Walmart. Our baking pan came from Dollar Tree. And our paper came from Dollar Tree. Okay, the stove is hot. And we're putting the cookies in
The bottom.
In the bottom part. We are taking the cookies out because they are done. And this is what they look like.